Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about uh, the viewport of AutoCAD 3D design, single viewport and multi viewport. Single viewport, that means work area, workspace area. This is the single viewport in one background in AutoCAD. Multi viewport is different working area, workspace, like top, front, right, bottom. Four workspace has created in one time. This is the multi workspace viewport area. But single viewport is only one area and one plane. I have looking, one plane I have showing, like top plane workings only for presenting top plane. So when let's go the design of single viewport and multiple viewport. This is the single viewport. I will show you. When go to view here, just enter view and look at this single viewport. Here the single viewport. Let's start any object. So first of all, create the any rectangle here. This one is top view selection, but I want get extrude and watch isometric view. So here this is isometric. Let's go isometric view here. So first of all, go to extrude, then click and enter, then extrude the some distance. Let's again I have make the rectangle right now, and I have go to extrude and select extrude, enter, then how many distance I have go to entered. I have go to delete and create the top view selection right now. So enter, and this is the top view. So first of all, select this top view selection, right? This is top view here, and let's start any rectangle and any box. This is box here. When get the start box, and how many distance we will provide, 600. So when I let's go isometric view, so this is isometric, and make the particular body here, extruded body. So here we can see that it is the single viewport in AutoCAD, but I want get multiple viewport. So this one again I will show you. We have select this box here and start from rectangle and extrude particular. So this is the single viewport. When I get multiple viewport here, so enter this view. Let's this enter view right now, and enter this here, then get select multiple viewport. Here like multiple viewport, when I get start the any extruded, here apply the extruded command. Look at this, create this one rectangle and get click here, and any particular distance we will provide. I will provide the 500, enter. Then also provide 500, enter. So this one is working one area. I have get working is here. Start from box. This one I have get extrude in particular distance, so it is like that. So this one is front top view projection. This one is right view front view projection. This one is right view projection. So it is called use for multiple user. When I get delete here, so every projection has easily deleted. Then another one I have get make this other thing, just like cylinder. I have get create the cylinder here. This make cylinder and particular draw here. Look at this. When I get here right now, this one has create the front view and this one has create top view. They are very useful for multiple user. One time to show every projection right now. When again I will show you here. Let's exit right now in single viewport, then multiple viewport. It is like that single viewport in here right now. When I will show you isometric view, but same thing I will go to multiple view. So when let's go viewport, when I make this other thing right now, when I get create in rectangle here, when first of all create rectangle. Okay, let's go extrude command here, get enter and extrude like. Then I will use to multiple viewport. So when let's go enter the multiple viewport right now, enter here. Here the multiple viewport. When I get multiple viewport and look at this, every view properly here, and understanding to easy way. This is the 3D isometric view and this is top view. So the top view, and this is front view, and like when I click the top view basically, so it's like when I get the move here. So easy way of move in AutoCAD. So it is very useful for AutoCAD command properly understand, and it is complete for this session. And do like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.